Hello, my name is Derek Jones and today I'm going to show you how to migrate your first files into SharePoint using Ontolica Fusion. Now in this instance we will be migrating our file structure into SharePoint one for one. Unlike other solutions, Fusion does not change the created or modified date of your documents unless you specify that you would like them changed. Okay, let's get started. Now as you can see, Ontolica Fusion comes pre-installed with 8 components that can be saved and resaved for future migrations. However, in this instance we will be using component number 1. So step number 1, click the first component. Click Next. And now specify your source file or the documents that you would like to migrate into SharePoint using Ontolica Fusion. Once you have found the documents you would like to migrate, press OK and then Next. Fusion has realized that we do not have an existing connection, so we are going to go ahead and create one. I'm going to name mine My Office 365. In this field, insert the URL that points to your SharePoint location. Insert your username, followed by the password. And once you are finished, press OK. Fusion is now verifying our connection to make sure that there are no issues. Once our connection has been verified, Fusion will automatically save it so you can use it for future migrations. Step number 2. Select the target SharePoint document library where you would like your documents transferred. I am going to migrate my documents to Derek's Docs. If you would like to create a new folder within your SharePoint environment where your new documents will be placed, you can do so now by typing the name of the folder into this field. With this dropdown, you can specify how you would like your folder structure migrated. Once you have selected one for one, click Next. Step number 3. Now as you can see on the right-hand side, Ontolica Fusion gives us the opportunity to update our metadata for the documents that we're going to be migrating to SharePoint. I would also like to mention that Fusion automatically maps the modified and created date of your document so that that information is preserved during the migration. Well, at this time there's no additional changes that we would like to make to our metadata, so we're going to go ahead and click Next. It is now time to copy our documents to SharePoint, and we can do so using 4 different methods. Option number 1, run with preview. Option number 2, run silent. Option number 3, test run, which doesn't actually migrate any documents. What it does do is a mock migration so you can see how long it's going to take, what files are going to be migrated, and what your SharePoint environment is going to look like after the migration. And finally, option number 4, which is to schedule when you would like your migration to occur. However, in this instance, we are going to run with preview. Fusion is now asking us if these are the documents that we would like to transfer to SharePoint. They are, so we are going to go ahead and click Next. Fusion is now preparing our documents for transfer, and once it is finished, click Run. And our migration is finished, so let's open our SharePoint environment to make sure that our documents transferred without issue. Refresh the page. Ta-da! You are done. Congratulations on your first successful migration using Ontolica Fusion. Now if you click the folder, you'll notice that your document's modified date has not changed. Well, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.